To connect AirPods to your Z Fold 6, we will start by opening Settings. Then you're going to select the Connections option. And then we will tap on Bluetooth. So in this one, we now need to prepare our AirPods. So if they're the AirPods Pro, open the case and make sure that both AirPods are inside of the case. Then there is this white button at the back, and we're going to long press this one until the white starts blinking, then release. On our Z Fold 6, we will now tap Scan to restart the scan. We see our AirPods. On AirPods Max, you long press this button instead of the white one. So just tap your AirPods like this, tap on pair, and now your AirPods are connected to the Z Fold 6.